An unforgettable dining experience inside of a real plane which is not floating through the clouds but is parked on solid ground somewhere relatively not far from the heart of Bangkok. It is all about Nao Restaurant. L1011 jet HSAXE that flew for Delta Airlines from 1974 to 1999 and then flew briefly for Thai Sky Airlines, a defunct charter airline. It is now one of the hippest restaurant in Bangkok. This restaurant is definitely a sight for sore eyes with the atmosphere that tells a story. Here a selection of carefully crafted signature dishes will excite you. Now Bangkok lets you on a futuristic food journey of 5-course fusion fine dining that has impressed countless food lovers. Naho's setting is an experience in itself. An elevator takes you up to the main dining room aboard the plane. There is no toilet on board, so empty your bladder prior to your visit. Taxidermied animals are displayed alongside vintage Victorian trinkets, giving the entire space a sense of surreal decadence. Before the meal is served, Chef Ona appears, his face covered with a red mask, uttering a rehearsed script about his futuristic meal. The former baggage compartment is now a 10-seat lounge with high-backed maroon sofas and a large display cabinet of beasts escaping Noah's flood, among them white lions, a black bear, caribou, and more birds. The cockpit is a private dining room with a classic Chesterfield. The tail ends has been fitted with a large window affording views of the grounds. Now restaurant light show which can really blow your mind. That's right, it's Now Restaurant. Again, well, it's not much of a leap to guess that your family is genuinely impressed with this place. Now Bangkok is a stylish restaurant and event venue located in Bangkok. Now Bangkok has a range of meeting rooms and event space available for hire, with the largest able to accommodate a maximum of 200 guests. The menu will constantly changes to reflect a new theme set by the restaurant every 3 or 4 months.